The front-end development of a website is very important. If you just get to know like how a user is going to react once he just open up your website and how comfortable or uncomfortable he feels, if you just know that particular thing from the user's perspective, that is some sort of a skill. So a true skill of front-end development is pretty much more than what we think of. I mean, like we just think of the front-end developer who just actually align things up properly or just sell things down on the front page of the website. It's actually more than that. That is where you just need to know like how you can actually beautify and make the page a bit more stronger in a creative and a simple manner. That is where a skill of a front-end developer defines how much more stronger and how much promising he is. In this course, you will actually be able to develop the real-world applications just like the other courses of ours. You will be knowing the whole implementation and few of the major things that are at the neglecting and like how you can actually make the page look more promising, look more pleasing to the eye. These are the skills that probably most of the front-end developers don't focus at. But in this course, we are actually making sure that we actually train you in designing and development of that front end in a way like it becomes so much user-friendly that the user really like about and really feel comfortable about being on that web page. We'll be using the generic libraries. We'll be using all those things that most of the front-end developers are using these days, but we are actually trying to make sure like how efficiently and how proactively you can use them and how you can save your time in the front-end development in terms of speeding things up and in terms of making a more promising thing. Well, anybody can apply for this course. Anybody who is more passionate in terms of the development of the right front end and making it user friendly. So anybody who is passionate about knowing all those different techniques and different ways of making the front end look more charming in a more proficient and efficient manner. That is an art or that is a skill that you just need to learn or you will get to know or you will get to learn in this front end development course. Well, there are tons of benefits for our students because we are actually majorly focusing on our skill. So every individual will be learning about how a thing can actually be carried out in a productive manner. So he'll be learning the whole skill as a whole. And I don't think so that the skill is going to fall down anywhere around. Whatever you do, if you are doing it with all the knowledge, that is definitely going to be beneficial for you. A top student will be getting the whole fee refunded back. Every single penny will be refunded back to a top student. We are offering jobs in our software house. We are making sure that the bigger doors open up for all those individuals learning this front-end course and making sure that they get employed in the bigger companies. So we will have your back and make sure that you will be getting employed right after taking and completing this course. Well, the procedure of applying is very simple. You can just simply go onto our Becknowledge website and open up the front-end development course over there. That is where you can actually be finding out all those details, and that is where you will be knowing like what will be the procedure that will be taken care throughout the whole project. Once you just go through whole of the details, just go into an enroll button and submit your basic information out there and submit the form, and our representative will be contacting you back.